कम बैक टू टॉपिक ऑन स्टडीज़। बहुत होगी सेल्फ टॉक। कंपनसेशन पैकेज क्या होता है? बेसिकली कंपनसेशन पैकेज ना पहले वाले टाइम में क्या होता था, एम्प्लॉय को दे दी जाती है एक सैलरी, वेजेस। बट आज वाले टाइम में क्या हो रहा है, बेसिक सैलरी प्लस अलाउंसेस प्लस बोनस प्लस फिक्स अमाउंट, सॉरी बेसिक सैलरी एक फिक्स अमाउंट होती है, इट इज़ अ फिक्स अमाउंट, एंड अलाउंसेस प्लस बोनस प्लस रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट्स plus insurance plus paid vacations etc. So what is the meaning of basic salary? That would be the fixed amount. Allowances, extra payment for the specified need. Allowances just like a house rent allowance, like medical, fire, education. Bonus is a periodic rewards. uh, Bonus is a periodic rewards. और जो रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट्स होते हैं लाइक पीएफ और ग्रेचुटी और पेंशन, ये हमारे रिटायरमेंट के बेनिफिट्स, रिटायर हो जाता पर्सन तब। इंश्योरेंस, लीव टाइम, फायर इंश्योरेंस, एक्सीडेंटल मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस, यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Main thing come again in my mind, my mom is coming my room and I was not concentrating on study. How she think that is only big video, and continuously in my mind Lisa and Khushi. She talk about a very personal topic. I can judge for the person. Yes, paid vacation. Like if you go on some tour, leave, you should free of cost because the job will given. Next is the how to use practically this compensation package, just like a, because attract the employees, betterment, growth, retain employees for the long time, reward, and insurance complies with the labor laws. Compensation package is a basic salary plus allowances plus bonus, incentives, retirement plans, perks. Now come back to the intercorporate dividend. Intercorporate loan is a investment guarantee securities. The main purpose is a limit amount to give a loan, provide the guarantee security, invest in the share securities of other companies. किसी भी शेयर कंपनी के लेके किसी और कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करनी. Loan is mean giving to money to another company and after repaid later. Guarantee is a promise to pay if another company cannot repay loan. I will give a guarantee that this company will give a loan and return loan on the time. Security. Pledge the assets to help another to get loan. Sometimes you have not loan, so you pledge, you should securitize your asset in the form of returning loan payment. Next, investment. How investment? Buying shares, debentures, bonds, another companies. Paid up share capital. This is a formula. Guarantee, paid up loan, security. Paid up share capital is just like a money received from the shareholder in exchange for share. Paid up share capital is that money received from the shareholder in exchange for share, because shareholder can give a share and money received from that is called the paid up share capital. From plus 2 I don't know what was the meaning. Now I can understand what is the meaning. I only memorized and only ratification is done because they're not practically done. Free reserves. Co-profit company profit will available for the distribution as dividend, and there should be pass a special resolution 75% of persons present in that meeting. So for example, I will summarize all this. What is a intercorporate meaning? You should have a securities, loans. Securities is you have a place some type of assets in the return of not paying that alone. Loan is also giving an amount to help to somebody, and after that you have some type of loan. After one topic is that guarantee is just like a promise to return a loan amount. Okay. Paid up share capital, this when you issue a share to the shareholder can give a return money. Free reserve is just like a 30 crore, sorry, free reserve is a free reserves. Like I should summarize, this paid up share capital is 50 crore example, and free reserve is a 30 crore. So if you have a percentage of 60% of paid up capital according to intercorporate dividends plus free reserves, 60% of the paid up capital plus free reserves. I had just continued thought in my mind, Sunil sir, how he थॉट आई हाउ ही मेमोराइज होल चैप्टर, मेरे माइंड में एक थॉट आया कि मुझे लगता है कि इतने यूट्यूबर फेमस क्यों है एकदम से, क्योंकि मैं इस टाइम पे पहुंच गई ना कि मेरे हाथ में फ़ोन आया है। पर क्या हो रहा है कि वो कब से लगे हुए हैं, अब जाके फेमस हुए हैं, मतलब अब जाके उनका टाइम आया। नाउ कम बैक टू द सो पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ 80 करोड़, 80 करोड़ 60%। अब मुझे वो चीज़ याद आ रही है, सर बोलते थे कि कभी भी मैथ्स को बोल के नहीं रिवाइज किए थे, मैं वही काम कर रही हूँ। मैं बाहर शाम को बैठी थी, मैं ये याद कर रही थी, मुझे इतना टाइम लग रहा है एक चैप्टर के ऊपर, और आई वाज सो वीक इन स्टडीज़, दैट्स वाई। जैसे दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, like you have a percentage, you find out the 48 crore, but was a free so free reserve is 100% of 30 crore. So uh, a company A limited invests up to 48 crore and B limited without any special resolution. If a company wanted to invest more than 48 crore, so he must get shareholder approval through the special resolution. So there is a no default in that special resolution approved by the board of directors, and protect proper closure. So company can acquire share by another company under section 186, limit based on capital and reserves, investment exceed limit, special resolution passed, and rule help prevent risky excessive investment by company. So I can again summarize this: securities, loans, guarantees, some type of paid up capital, that is around 60% free reserves, 100%. So you have some type of paid up capital, and you should 60% of it, and plus you have what is the free reserve, and you should percentage. So you should take an example that a company A limited, and you there is a total amount of 48 crore invest. So B limited, there is a without any special resolution. If a company want more than exceed, so take a resolution from some other approval by the shareholder, and but there is a conditions that not default, and approved from the board of directors, and there's a proper disclosure what type of amount you should get, and what type at that what where how much, all the disclosure should be. Okay. So company can acquire the share by another company under section 186, and limit based on the capital and reserve exceed limits, if limit wanted to exceed was a special resolution. And so this rule can prevent risky excessive investment by company. I hope this will understand. Bye. Bye.